Right, hold the front page. It's what we've been waiting for. Here in my fair hands is the T-Mobile G1. Yes, it's here, the first mobile phone with Google Android software on there. So basically, it's an open source software that allows other application developers put their applications on there. So we've had a look at it today. Today's the launch. This is the first hands-on. So first looks, it is a bit thick. It's a bit thick here. I think it's about 16mm in thickness. So if you imagine the iPhone is going to cut it in half there. It's got a full touchscreen on it, which is here. So you can scroll through your home page, touch anywhere you want to go. But that touchscreen is basically for your basic applications. So anything you want to go in the browser, you just click it. If there are any games, you touch it there. Your main use is actually going to be with the flip to the side QWERTY keyboard that you have here. So you're going to be able to write SMSs on there, you're going to be able to write email on there. This is where you're going to basically be doing that because there isn't actually an on-screen keyboard. Also, with the keyboard, when you go on the internet, you can't actually touch any, well, obviously when you're typing in a web address, you are going to actually use the keyboard here. Other things on there, as I say, you can do SMS, you're going to get to your Gmail on there, you're going to get Google Search on there, and you're also going to get Google Maps on there. But one of the new things they've got now with Android is what they're calling the Google Marketplace. So if we can try and get on it here, if we go here, and then scroll a bit there, we can see Marketplace there. Basically what this is it's like your App Store, but it's the Google version of it. You just go in there and you can search applications by the type of genre you want it. So if you're looking for something that's going to develop, I don't know, any games you want to play, or if you want to do any bubble wrap things, you can search for it by category. And then when you get in there, you're going to click on the application that you take your fancy, and there's going to be a rating on there. So it's going to be rated on whether it's good or not, and there's also going to be comments to say if someone absolutely downloaded something and it shafted their mobile phone, then you're going to find out about it before you do the dire mistake of getting it on your mobile. Other things on there you're going to have, on the back here is a 3.2 megapixel camera. There's no flash on there, and they're still debating whether you're actually going to be able to do video. We asked that question in the press conference, and they're not actually quite sure, and they're getting back to us. So we'll get back to you on that one. Also, we spotted with our journalist eyes when we go through to this menu here, it's got Amazon MP3 on there. So fingers crossed, when it actually does come to you in the UK in November, we will have Amazon MP3 on there. They wouldn't clarify that in the press conference either, but fingers crossed that's going to be available for us. Okay, so as I said, it is available in November. T-Mobile said that it's going to be free on a £40 a month tariff. There are going to be other tariffs available, but they haven't got any details on that yet. So here it is, the T-Mobile G1, available in November.